car anyway. Yeah, I love this car. Like I said, when I first drove by it, I thought, I saw that hood and I was like, yeah, that's got to be the hood that I was trying to buy. They had at Mobile. But I love it. I wished I had your spoiler on mine. I kind of like that spoiler. You know, ours on the RTs look kind of flat. They don't have an aggressive look to them. But yours is not. Is yours Tord red? What red is yours? Do you know?
Can't think of the name. I know it's got the plates.
You got Brembo brakes on there too, man. That's nice. And slotted rotors.
Oh yeah.
And you got straight pipe, you said, and you got a throttle body spacer. And it's 2000. What year? 12 and 392 a 5-speed automatic. And you said yours came with performance pages.
Yes.
Man, I wish mine came with performance pages. Only thing I have is sport mode. And I can tell the way the transmission shifts and kind of the way the throttle response, helps out a little bit. Yeah. It holds the gears a lot longer. Yeah, yours is SRT8, like you said. I like that. And you said you've owned it for
392.
Man, we both know that thing will get it. And you got the, you said you have 315s on the back too. What kind of tires are you running?
Don't really know off the top of my head.
They're the Sport Max GTs. Yeah. How are you able to get traction really good on them?
For sure, they grip.
Yeah, I think you'll probably get me from a dig race, even though I've got some few performance stuff. I think you'll get me by a few car lengths actually.
Yeah.
I'd be surprised if you didn't, but yeah, I like this car, man. I like it, and the seats in it, man. The seats are badass.
Yeah.
They're almost like Cardios or Recaros.
Yeah.
That's kind of sort of what they favor. Of course, my seats are similar to yours. Mine is just all leather. Doesn't have an RT emblem or anything like yours has on it.
Yeah.
But I think we'll be an even enough match to where it will make it fun.
Oh
yeah. And you got straight pipe on yours, 3-inch all the way back. You don't have any mufflers.
No mufflers.
Resonators. You got cats. What about resonators?
I ain't got no resonators either.
Oh yeah. I'm surprised it's not louder than it is. You mind revving it one time?
You want me to do stock rev or you want me to do full throttle rev?
I mean, however you feel comfortable. Kind of want to do see what it sounded like.
I'll give you stock.
Oh yeah, I think you even got me on the rev. If we rev battle right now, I think you'd get me.
You ready?
You can. Oh yeah. What is it letting you rev to?
So
how far? You're going over 5,500. You got to be.
So these cars are just a cheat code. Take and put your car in reverse. Move it a little bit so you feel it lock in a park. You're in park right now and your car's not going to go nowhere, right?
Man, that's crazy. See, I can tune mine up to whatever RPMs I want to rev it to, but I have to tune it into my tuner to do it. Yeah, guys, this I would get him to pop the hood on this thing, but he got this it's a 392 SRT8 car, but he bought this demon hood from a guy in Mobile, and he was like a pain in the ass to try to get it to shut. So if he opens it, he could be out here for an hour trying to get the hood to shut down. I'm not going to ask the man to do it, because all it is a 392 engine with a spacer on it, so you're not really going to see anything incredible. It's going to look just like a 392 engine. But we're going to try to get a race in here pretty soon, because all he has is a straight pipe exhaust, no resonators, no muffler, as you heard, and then that spacer. And he's got some performance pages in there, and he's got good tires on there, so it ought to be pretty good, because mine's got a cold air kit on it, and it's it's got straight pipe with flowmasters, no resonators or mufflers, and a 91 octane tune in it right now. But when I race him, I think I'm gonna have to step up to the 93 octane tune. And we're going to try a dig race, and then we're going to try a couple of 20 to 30 kick races, because if we go any higher, I'll be out of my power range and right into his power range. But you know, we'll see what happens. But when I get some full batteries and I get my other GoPro, and where I'm able to mount 2 GoPros on mine, or we can actually get some good footage, we're gonna try to get it. It's gonna be in about a week, and his dad also has a stock 392 Scat pack, and so we're gonna get all 3 of these cars together and run them. But anyway, that's the deal. And so stay tuned. I'll be posting another video up after this one goes up. This is Paul Bart's Garage. Hope everybody's having a good weekend. Peace out. Bye.